On this video demonstration, I'll be showing you how to create a master reseller account. Now, the first thing we want to do is log into our WHM control panel. Now that we're logged into our control panel, we want to go ahead and create a new package. Go navigate to packages, add a package, then create a package name. I'm going to create my package as Master Reseller. As a reminder, make sure you always create your package as one word, or if you want to create it as a two-word, always make sure that you have a / or an underscore on it, because you don't want to make things complicated later on, because normally when it's a two-word and it has like space on it, you can create like Zamfoo errors and all that when creating a new account. Now we're gonna go to resources, start customizing whatever specification you want to give out to that package that you're creating. However, mine, I'm just gonna leave everything as unlimited because this is just for video demonstration only. You could do whatever you want on yours. On settings and option, always make sure you actually click the digest authentication accounts creation. This is very important, so you want to always make sure that you actually click that. The CGI access, it's up to you if you want to give your reseller a CGI access. I normally always give them CGI access because this has really nothing to do with security. Front page extension, it's up to you if you want to do that, but I'm just gonna leave mine just the way it is. After that, we click add so we can create this package. Now the package has been created. Now we're ready to add this package to Zamfoo Autogrants in a master reseller. We scroll down, go to Zamfoo, then under master reseller accounts, we want to go ahead and select the set remove master autogrant. Click that. As we can see, our newly created package is right here. Make sure you highlight that and add set autogrants. Click that. Once it's there, we're ready to create a new master reseller account. Now we scroll all the way to account functions, create a new account, then domain information. You want to create the domain name, the default domain name that your reseller wants to use. I will just create mine as whatever, just a made up domain name, since this is just a video demonstration. Again, I'll create mine as demo domain.com. WHM always take the first 8 characters of the domain name as a username. However, you could always customize your username if you want to have a better security, that it's hard to guess for a hacker to actually try to get into WHM, try to hack into your account. However, I'm just gonna leave mine the way it is. Password, you can set your password to something easier for you to remember, but always make sure that you actually have a strong and firm password. It's hard to guess for somebody. or you can use the password generator. This is actually also a good tool. Will give you like, you know, random passwords that's actually very strong, but for mine I'll just use password as password. Then for the email address, you want to type in your client's email address, because when creating this account, this will automatically send the login information, his username and password, how to access WHM after creating this account to get sent out to your client. Again, I'm just gonna try to create a fake email, so I'm just gonna type in info@dummy.com for the email. And the package, we're gonna choose the package that we just recently created and we recently added to Master Reseller Zamfoo plugin, which is this one. Whenever you select this Master Reseller, every single account that you actually create and use this package will become a Master Reseller. So they're gonna have an accessibility to the Zamfoo plugin as a Master Reseller and be able to log in into WHM as a reseller. Now, for the DNS function, you always want to enable the SPF on this account, because every single domain name that you create or website, it's gonna need an IP address. By default, there's a IP address already, like the shared IP address in there. You can always get your an IP address, dedicated IP address later on if you want to decide like using your own dedicated IP address. You can always do that. Now we create. Okay, now that the account has successfully created, we want to double check if this account is actually working correctly, if we're able to access WHM, we're able to create an account, and we're able to access the Zamfoo Master Reseller plugin. Okay, now what I'm going to do is log out, then I'm going to log back in to the account that we actually just created. The username is Demo Doma. The password is password. Logged in. Looks like I'm successfully logged in as a reseller. Now we want to check if I can create an account. We're going to go to look for account functions. The account functions right here. It seems like everything looks good. Create an account, create a new account, like that. Alright, everything looks the way they should be. We're able to create an account. Now the last thing that we want to check is if we can access WHM's Zamfoo plugin. Create an account, the Master Reseller. Now let's go to Zamfoo Master Reseller. Click that. Okay, it looks like we're able to get into Zamfoo Master Reseller. Everything looks perfectly working fine. This is how you create a Master Reseller account.